right, boys and girls, we have been learning about the wetlands in science. And today we read the story, Hey Water. Give me a thumbs up if you liked this story. We watched the video on different bodies of water. And now we're going to make an anchor chart so that we can remember all of the different bodies of water and what we learned about them. What we need to do, this is like our goal. We need to state the 5 bodies of water. We need to tell the elements that make each body of water unique. We have to apply that knowledge of the 5 bodies of water by labeling and describing them on the anchor chart. And we're going to identify each body of water in a sources of water hunt at the end. So I'm going to show you pictures of the different bodies of water, and you guys have to write down which one you think it is. You think you'll be able to do that? Yeah. It's kind of like a scoop game. Then I need you, these are the language objectives. This is what I need from you guys when you're talking. I need you to help contribute to the class discussion. That means I need you all to give me ideas on our anchor charts and share the ideas with the class, but also listen to other people's ideas. Not just all about you talking, also listen to our friends. We are going to use the vocabulary words, the words to know in the middle there. Those are words we've been learning and we heard in the video. And we're going to also compare and contrast, which we've done a lot, the 5 bodies of water. So tell things that are the same and things that are different, right? All right, so I'm going to show you a couple slides. Here we have a stream. We learned about the stream. That was the last one on the video. It's a small, narrow, and moving flow of fresh water, right? We saw that in the video. The water was flowing and it was fresh water. A river is kind of like a stream, right? And it's a large flowing stream of fresh water that flows into another body of water, a bigger one. A lake is a large body of fresh water surrounded by land. A pond is like a lake, but it's a small and shallow body of fresh water surrounded by land. And then our last one, we all love this one, the ocean is a large body of salt water. Oceans cover almost 3/4 of the Earth's surface. And what do we learn? How much of the Earth is water? 70%, 30% is land, right?
Actually, 90. No, it's not 90. 29 is actually land.
Yeah, it's over there. It's 29%.
Okay. All right, well, let's focus on our anchor chart, and we're going to fill in what information we've learned about these. So who can tell me something we learned about oceans? Chloe.
That when the water hits the sand, the sand gets a bit wet.
Oh, the wetlands. Yes, we learned all of these have wetlands when water meets land. Yes, but specifically ocean.
It's very big.
Big. I'm going to write that in all caps. Okay, Jason.
Sometimes it's dangerous. It's because of sharks and stuff.
Could be dangerous. Yeah, well, actually, all water could be dangerous, right?
Yeah, like if
But you're saying there's dangerous animals.
if you drink ocean water, you can die.
Oh, why? What kind of water is it?
Salt water.
Salt water. Yes, I was looking for that. We don't drink salt water. That's true. It is not drinking water. Okay, Lucy?
Oceans are deep because the deepest one was about 3,000 something.
Yeah.
No, it's about 400.
It was deep.
Yeah,
It said it was like the deepest part of the ocean is deeper than the tallest mountain we have. Anything else? Yeah, Mount Everest. Anything else we know about the ocean? What kind of water is it? Is it still or or flowing water? Gotta use these words too.
It's flowing.
Does it flow into something?
Sometimes, like if a river's connected to it, it might flow in.
Okay, like the tide goes up and down, right?
In and
And
out.
there are waves, but it's mostly its own thing. Things flow into it, right? Yeah, okay. So we'll put waves. And it's a collection of water, right?
Yes. And
Yes.
also, I wanted to say that there is many microorganisms.
Phytoplankton, right? And it makes up 70% of the Earth's
Air.
oxygen. That's
Also
crazy.
Also known as air.
Yes. All right, how about rivers? Let's move to rivers. Who has some information about rivers? We've learned about this when we were learning about,
Wetlands.
yes,
Flowing.
flowing. Always flowing, right?
Yeah.
Sometimes fast, sometimes slower, depending on how much what?
Water.
How much rain. Didn't we learn that in Mystery Science? If there's lots of rain coming down the mountain, the river is faster. If there's,
It's just a big current.
yeah. So it can be fast or slow. What kind of water? Fresh water.
You need clear.
Yes.
Wait, not all of them are clear.
Yeah, they are.
Depending on what did we learn? What
You can
happens?
see the clear
They're
water
all
of the
clear.
ocean right
It
here.
picks up dirt and debris, right? And that's when it looks a little bit dirtier. But if you picked up a cup of river water, it is pretty clear. Yes.
Everything's
It
clear.
had a really strong current.
Yeah, strong current. Sometimes it's an undercurrent.
Especially in moments, like a person can drown.
Would you say it's deep or shallow? Shallow.
No, it ain't shallow.
Wait, sometimes deep or
Rivers are deeper, right? Which one was like a river, but it's shallower and smaller?
Stream.
The stream, right here. I added it to river because they're similar. They both flow. They both have fresh water. And depending on the rain, it's how fast they are. But a stream is just a river that's smaller. Okay? Where do they start from?
Mountains.
Start in the mountains. Good job. All right, so we covered what kind of water, we covered how it moves, and we covered it can be deep or shallow, right? Good.
It can be